In 1963, one man broke the most sacred rule in organized crime and changed everything. Joe Valachi had spent 30 years as a made member of the Genovese crime family. He'd killed, he'd stolen, he'd kept his mouth shut, but in prison, everything went wrong. Convinced that his boss had marked him for death, Valachi killed another inmate in self-defense. The wrong inmate. Now he faced certain execution from his own family. So he did the unthinkable. He talked. For the first time in history, a made member of the American Mafia broke Omerta on live television. He revealed the five-family structure, the initiation rituals, the blood oaths. Suddenly, law enforcement understood how La Cosa Nostra really worked. His testimony triggered massive FBI investigations. It led directly to the RICO Act that destroyed organized crime families across America. But Valachi paid the ultimate price. He spent the rest of his life in witness protection, knowing that every day could be his last. One man's betrayal brought down America's most secretive criminal empire.